Guys, something is coming in Solana. I'm not quite sure when exactly yet, but it's looking pretty good if you're long on Solana. What I've got here is a daily chart. I've got a rising upper channel here. I can scroll out to the weekly, and this is, yes, it is from the magnificent move we've seen across crypto since October and November. But November has seen an especially good rise, and I'm not seeing a decline in Solana like I'm seeing across in some of the other coins. You can notice with ADA, for example, one of my favorite coins. Let me get this out of the way. After ADA hit its high, look how steep of a drop it has made. It's gone from 0.67, it currently sits at 0.57 and is in this downward channel. Bitcoin, if I move this trend line, it's chopping right here, trying to figure out in this wedge if it's going to go up or down. What was another one? Doge, was it? Yeah, Doge is kind of the same. See how it's got that downward channel? I don't see that in Solana. Everything in Solana is still upwards. In fact, you can even see that most of the coins have been hitting their highs like in the 6th, 7th, or 8th, 9th of December, and they've fallen a good 10 to 20%. Well, the high of Solana was, what, 77.86, and we're sitting at 75 right now. It is respecting this channel very well. You can see the falls and the lows. It's hit that channel twice, but it's looking really good. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me for Solana to continue to try to reach these highs, to continue to try to fight for these highs. It's kind of like a VET. VET is one of my favorite coins, and look what VET has done. It was down in that channel there for a minute and then popped right out and has done very well. Solana very well could do that. Wouldn't surprise me because it's hanging out at the highs so much. A lot of these other coins I'm looking at and saying, how far do we think we're going to go? How far down is ADA going to go before it turns around? I just did one on Flux. How far is Flux going to fall? Is it going to hit this .618? I don't have that question for Solana. It's just running. So away it goes. Solana's taken off and seems to be holding its highs very well. Your only concern would be if it does happen to fall out of this channel and start working down, that might be a problem. If it did, here's kind of where I would aim for it at. I'm going to pop a line right here. Why did I choose that line? Because it's the close and then open of these days. It's kind of, yeah, there's the wick right there of that day, hit it to the point. These days, price went down to that line, then got bought right back up, and price went right back up. So that's what I would be looking at if Solana happened to drop out of this channel and fall out. I'd be looking for some kind of support around, what's that, 65.78. But right now, I've got no concerns for that at all. If anything, it looks like it might do what VET has done and go ahead and break the highs that it recently made. It's just a fantastic chart. So keep an eye on it. See if it will respect, even if it hits this wedge, this channel again, the bottom. And definitely if it hits 65, what's that, around 65.78, something like that, we'll want to see how the market reacts. But so far, so good. It might be a slow grind up because we're getting toward the end of the year. So we might grind up slowly, but Solana is looking very good. Keep coming back. I'll try to keep you updated on the price and movement in crypto and Solana in particular, because I know I'm watching it right now. All right, y'all, take care.